Hi, I'm Kim Dawson and I am introducing very excitingly SDG, Sustainable Development Goal 15, which is life on land. The SDG 15 means all living creatures on this earth, and basically how we look after these living creatures, basically being kind to them like they're our members of our family. So life on Earth, life on land, is critical for us because all life is interdependent. Everything relies on everything else. So we are part of the system, and everything that we rely on, like clean air, clean water, food, clothing, all comes from this beautiful planet that we live on. So it's really important that we protect it and that we look after it. One really good project is the Wilding Waterhall, which is a restoration of a former golf course, and it's restoring it to more natural habitats like chalk grassland and all of the things that rely on that. So it's really having some amazing benefits. So we're seeing so much more insect life there and bird life and bat life. Namonti Nenkimo, and she's from the Waorani tribe in the Ecuadorian rainforest, and she has protected the area of rainforest where her tribe are from against oil, and she did that by raising awareness of the plight of her people. Obviously go out and about and make sure you look around because it's nature is all around us. Also, if you're lucky enough to have a garden, you can encourage wildlife into your garden by growing native plants and pollen nectar rich species.